Hello and welcome to the ABCD website run through. We're now at part 2 of the core database. In this quick run through I'm going to show you the new helper forms that I've created, the groups and relations, and show you how that works on the website. But first we'll check out the database to see what's happened since the last time. So the new helper data form been created so that you can easily update your helper values against the helper list, and groups now exist, so we can group entities into different types, and then there's other types that you might want mailing lists and the like. Relations have been added, so we can now say a child is related to a parent and vice versa, grandparent, grandchild, and so forth. And group lists, so as mentioned in the helper data, there's now groups, and in those groups you can have entities. You can group entities as employees, parents, whatever you'd like. There's two ways to group them, so you can either go directly to the entity and the new tab shows the different groups they're in, and just pick a group. And then there's also relations, so you can pick a different entity, it won't include yourself, and then you can see what type of relation that is. So we'll have a look at how that looks in the website now. So I'd already done helper data as separate forms. This was just to make it easy so I could add them and display them on the website. I may do a side-by-side form like there is in the database, but for now, since it's working, I might come back to that once I've finished everything else. Relation types, you can see there's the list, pulls it from the database, and then you can create a new one if you want, decide what it's related to and give a new type. Currently we've got a couple of columns that I'm just showing the IDs just for debug purposes. I'll hide them a little later. We've now got the groups as well, which is quite nice because it dynamically loads the list of entities per group. You can create a new one and you can edit the existing ones. And if we go to entities, you can now do the same as we did before with the other tabs. We've now got the groups, pick the different types of group that they're in, and the relations as well, and do the reverse edit, so it just gives you two ways of doing the same thing. And that's it for part 2. Next I'll be working on part 3, so do drop any comments if there's anything you want extra in the website. But for now it's just going to match very similar to how I've been working on recently. Thanks very much.